Before you come to uni, there are certain things you have to pack. Some people, they have packed a lot of things, but when they come to uni, they find that they have packed what they packed was irrelevant. The relevant ones, they did not take it. The first time you see my face, please kindly like and subscribe and join the family. Okay, guys? Now, before you come to uni, there are certain things you have to pack. Some people, they have packed a lot of things, but when they come to uni, they find that they have packed what they packed was irrelevant. The relevant ones, they do not take it. So today, I'll be telling you the relevant things you need to pack before coming to uni. I'm currently in my 300 level and I have learned a lot of things right now. I've seen a lot of things in this 300 level that I've been. So today, I'll be talking about important things to pack. First of all, the first thing to pack, please have a power bank. When I was in year 1, I was with this one in year 1 until I opened my window and rain fell. So rain entered this power bank and it was no longer durable, not lasting long again. I have to buy this other Oraimo 20,000 mAh. This was Oraimo 10,000 mAh. This one served me a long time before I changed to this one. So please, we're coming to see power bank. Carry power bank, especially for those that do not stay in the hostel. You will need power bank. Even for people that stay in those hostels, you will need power bank. iPhone free power bank. Even your Android phone, you will need power bank. And the second thing that you come to you need torch. See, I have torch. You need torch light. You see them, you need torch light. You need torch. I'm trying to off it. You need torch. I have them. See, you need torch. I don't charge this one, but you see torch, you need torch. You currently and you seriously need torch. Don't say, I beg, I'll use my phone torch. Right there, carry torch. Your mother's house, in your father's room, there's always torch in our daddy's room. Most any torch you see, carry it and come to us because you need it. My sister, my brother, you need it. Okay? Yes, that's the second thing I would say you need. And then the third thing I would say you need is you need jotters. I have a lot of jotters. I cannot really put everything in my table while I'm talking. But you see jotters. I have jotters. I stole all those jotters. I collected it from home. So you too, you're coming to school, you need jotters. Not only every time notebook. Sometimes if you are reading, like me, I have a lot of things in my jotter. A lot of diagrams, a lot of books, a lot of things that are in my jotter. So my love, you need a jotter. Okay, guys? You need this thing. Another thing I'll say you need a fan. This fan, I bought this since 2022. I think I bought it for 2.5 when 2022. Then I was currently in year 1 second semester. Yes, year 1 second semester. About in 2022, I bought this fan, and this fan is still working till now. No, it's still working till now, and don't because of the price, it's still working till now. So see, you need a fan. I remember the one time I want to craze in that school when this one heat to a high degree. You understand? It to a high degree. I was kind of my fan like, oh God, talk to me. Okay, you need a fan. For you guys that are into the skincare world, you need a fan. To romanticize the school life, you need a fan. Okay, guys? And then the next thing you need is tote bags. If you check over there, let me bring them closer. Let me bring them closer. But wait, let me start with how I started my beginning. When I was in year 1, this was the tote bag that I used in year 1. I love wings, okay? This was the tote bag I used in year 1. It's very important. I bought it in year 1. When I was in year 2, this bag, my tote bag, it was my tote bag in year 2 because this one was just anyhow, so I just used this one. That's for year 2. And now I'm in year 3. This is what I currently use. But I bought another one. Let me show you guys another one that I bought. Now the fourth bag is this one. I haven't really used it. I've been keeping it, okay? This is it's similar to this one, but I think this one is more wider. It's more wider, and I currently sell bags. So in University of Calabar, you can patronize a girl, okay? I sell bags. So this is how it is. This is how it looks, okay? This is actually the 4th school bag I use in uni. You saw those bags there? I don't really use them in uni, but see these bags, them, all of them, these are currently the bags that I am using in school. Okay guys, yeah. The next thing you need is an extension. You currently and seriously need an extension. Coming from home, please pack extension as much as you can. Please carry extension while coming to uni. Okay, loves. Shoes, like you need a cover shoes. Like me, my department, I use cover shoe once in a while, not every time. But yeah, it's important that you get a cover shoe. Me, I recently got another one. Like, they have been buying things. Anyways, you need a cover shoe. Very, very important. Now, guys, for the other thing, I really wrote them down so I don't forget. Another thing that you currently need, you need a table and a chair. You need a table and a chair. I'm currently using them to film, but you need a table and chair if you're not in the hostel. But if you're in the hostel, you can use the library. If you're not in the hostel, like my stay off camp, so you need a table and a chair. Another thing you need plates and spoon, guys. Please, even if you're packing clothes, do not forget plates and spoon. You really need it, as well as gas. But I know that you guys know that you need gas, so I will not say that one, but you need a table and a chair. Now, another thing, if you have a boring roommate that's always making you tired, AirPod or earpiece. My earpiece currently lost. My AirPod charging port has spoiled, but I'm planning to get another one. So you need earpiece and AirPod together, or you can get an earpiece or an AirPod. You seriously need that, bro. You need it. I don't know, but you need it. Okay, get to get, man to man, bro to bro. You need an AirPod, collabo. You need an earpiece. Okay, yeah, you need it. Now, another thing I would say you need is, I've currently exhausted my list, but you need is Wi-Fi or a SIM card. I know you currently have a SIM card, but you need extra SIM card for backup. I'm going to show you guys my SIM card portal real quick. See my SIM cards. My friend, you need SIM card or Wi-Fi. Since I've not bought Wi-Fi, I bought SIM card. I have 5G MTN, this one 5G, which is this one 5G network. This is 5G. I have 4G, I have Airtel, and I also have another SIM. That's my phone. Currently, I have SIM. So since I don't have a Wi-Fi right now, I have SIMs, because when I get to school, MTN will stop working, Airtel will be working well. On some matter, Airtel will be misbehaving. Look as if Airtel is not working. I'll just switch to my MTN. I don't know, but until I get a Wi-Fi, you see this SIM, it's good that you have a SIM. So guys, this is all for this video. If you want a part 2, comment part 2 and tell me if any other thing you brought from home to uni, so that in my next video I will also say it. Thank you for watching. Until then, please kindly like and subscribe and join my YouTube family. Please guys, I would really love it. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.